Yo, what up, squad? It's your boy C's from theseasonlife.com. Man, it is cold this morning. Underratedly cold. I didn't think it was gonna be this cold. Anywho, your boy just finished wrapping up some sessions in the South End. I got two meetings I gotta rush to. One with Coach Urso. We're gonna be doing a little meeting of the minds in regards to our ebooks. We're both going to be publishing some ebooks, so we're going to be discussing some strategies in that realm. And I got a meeting with Terry at Links to discuss some content projects that he has some questions about. And also going to be shooting some videos with Patrick today, so lots to get done today. And also, I'm saying also a lot because there's tons, you know. I just updated my Stop Exercising, Start Training ebook, and it's for sale right now at theseasonlife.com. So hit the link below and grab yourself a copy. You won't be disappointed, man. And it also comes with a community, so if you have any questions, thoughts, or concerns, just let me know, and I'll be live in the community to answer all your questions. So grab yourself a copy, Stop Exercising, Start Training ebook at theseasonlife.com. Anyway, enough talking, let's get on to this meeting. Just came. Look who we got here, man. We got Coach Urso. So peeps, we are going to have like a quick little meeting of the minds here. We're going to be talking about our ebook that both of us are producing, and just brainstorm and see what we could come up with, right? More eyes, the better it is. All right, awesome meeting as always. Now we are about to head in our different ways, but we're going to be talking later, right? Yeah. We got the mastermind call again later. So now I'm jetting to another meeting, and see you later, my man. Later. Yep, till next time. All right, successful meeting with this man. Wait, show your beautiful face, man. There he is. Awesome guy over here. And yeah, we were just like meeting of the minds. Awesome conversation as usual. Now I'm going to be filming with Pat in about a half hour, so I'm going to grab me something to eat and wait for him to come. Knowing him, he's going to be late. I promise you. I promise you. Watch. So Patrick's actually on time.
And my face is shaved.
He was here 5 minutes early, actually.
You see that?
How early?
5
minutes
whole
early.
minutes.
And
Five
Nicole
whole
is
minutes.
counseling me in my psychology of nutrition. Not like actual nutrition, but like psychology of it.
Oh, wait. Talk about your new initiative. What you got going on with this nutrition?
Talk to us.
Talk to us. Let's go.
We have a 6-week nutrition challenge.
Right here. Right
Okay. We have a 6-week nutrition challenge. It's really a whole body challenge. So it's mindfulness, it's exercise,
That
it's
lighting.
hydration, it's sleep, and obviously nutrition. Yeah, non-members and members are welcome.
Okay, where can the non-members find this challenge?
Non-members.
Looking good.
Non-members can find it.
Right?
I'm very distracted.
I know. That's how it goes down, ladies and gentlemen. But back to the script.
Non-members can find it on my Instagram story right now. DM me for details. You can find it on Facebook, or just call Links Fitness Club and sign up through the front desk.
All right. So I will link that down below, and yeah, check it out. It's awesome stuff.
Yeah.
Wait, where you at? No, we got to come. No, they got a class in there. We're gonna be right over here. All right, peeps. We got Patrick in the house, and we're going to be filming for this new ebook I'm about to release for my my clients who suffer from lower back pain. So this has been highly.
So all of you. All of you.
Yeah, pretty much everyone. Everyone suffers from lower back pain. So we're gonna go through a stretching series, mobility series, and yeah.
We're gonna go through breathing first.
Breathing, you know, breathing, motor control, then roll, stretch, and move, right? Just in that sequence. Anyway, I'm going to be filming him for a little bit and then structuring everything that we filmed, wrapping it up, and delivering it straight to you, my friends. All right, let's get started. All right, ladies and gents, like your man Pat, he did his thing. All right, so that's a wrap for this shoot. Now we got some more to do. Wait, what we got going? What?
Is that me? Am I in it?
Yeah, sure. Work it.
A little more about dance moves. You can't see any of that.
Oh, all right. So now he's about to work out. Probably get a few clips of him working out. What you got today, Pat?
Oh, unilateral lower body, split squat, single leg RDL, lateral lunge.
All right, let's do it. Let's
With
get
plyos.
it. With plyos? Oh, snap. Let's get after it. So, Pat, based on that warm-up that we just filmed, how you feeling right now?
I feel good enough to work out.
That's right.
Can't
So,
put that on camera.
of course we can.
Of course.
You know, it's real and raw. So pretty much everything that we filmed is basically a general warm-up that I do with all my clients, which I will be releasing very soon. And you know, whatever phase of an athlete you are, this warm-up would definitely help. All right. Yes, so now he's about to do some pails and rails.
I'm doing a full workout now. I'm just gonna go into it, season.
Going straight into it. He's not playing around. Let's go.
I'll do some warm up.
I didn't get a thank you.
One of us has a nice look.
Well, the last time I do that, I'm gonna cash them next time.
I know that should be cash.
Don't! I'm gonna
How
get
tan
bothered.
she looks, or freckly, should I say?
Look at how white you are.
She's so upset. Yeah.
And look at how
I love this dynamic.
dark you are, Caesar.
Look how chocolate you are, Caesar.
Chocolate latte.
You're like a milk chocolate, as
like
opposed
a
to
milk
raw
chocolate
dark
dog,
chocolate.
Right? I'm that milk chocolate dog.
Oh.
Ron's
Okay,
a dark chocolate, like 90% cocoa. Caesar's only 60% cocoa.
I guess maybe that probably like that's like a.
All right, peeps. So just when I thought I wasn't gonna make it home in time for the meeting, I made it. So I'm like 5 minutes before our call, so I gotta rush into the crib, unpack my computer from my bag, and hop on the hangout. Look, about 5 more minutes till 2 p.m. Man, had a busy day today, man. I was out the door since 5 a.m. and I'm just making it back home. What an adventure today was, man. Tons of awesome meetings, so much good things to look forward to. And somebody smoking that loud right now got me craving. Anyway, yeah, let's get to this meeting. So we just had an awesome call, and literally we were just reviewing like the feedback that we got from the summit last week, and yeah, we got some really good feedback on how we should proceed. And now our assignment for this week leading into the next meeting is to come up with 2 ideas on how we should move the Fit Pro Development League forward. Best way to help you. So our mission is to help you. The best way that we can help you is to know exactly what you need help with, right? So hit the Fit Pro Development League link in the description below and share with us what it is that you have challenges with, right? And how we can best serve you, the community. Anyways, I'm going to go eat real quick before, gotta go pick up August, right? So lunchtime for me, which is at 3 p.m. Man, I'm starving. All right, so August is in bed. That's done. Dinner's done. Now I get to sneak into this office and sign off on this video. Now, literally today, this afternoon, before I picked him up, I finished writing the entire program. The only thing that is missing is the exercise library that goes along with the program. So as I continue to shoot throughout the week, I'll try my darndest to get every single last exercise uploaded and ready to go to ship out. So tons to look forward to, tons to do, right? And then also I got the launch or relaunch of my very first ebook. It's on sale now for $50 on theseedsoflife.com. So go grab you a copy. It also has a community where I get to engage with you, answer all your questions, thoughts, concerns, and also look out for some bonus material within that community as well. So I am here to serve you, whatever aches and pains that you're feeling. I just shot some videos for another book I'm rolling out. It's the Pain Management Handbook. Calling it that because this is where I'm going to put all the content that I know that'll help alleviate your aching pains, basically. Shoulder pain, knee pain, ankle, hip, all of that. Lower back, all of that. So I'm going to put all of that within that handbook. So it's the Pain Management Handbook. All right, it's going to focus on about 4 pillars, right? Your breathing, self-myofascial release, which is going to be shortened to roll. So breath, roll, stretch, and move. All right, so that's the library that I'm going to be publishing within that handbook. All right, so look forward for that. But in the meantime, grab yourself your copy of Stop Exercising, Start Training down in the comment section, down in the description, basically. Anyway, enough rambling. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, holla at your guala. Peace.